Spicy shrimp coconut stir fry. Great street food. Let's go! Wet your rice noodles early. They take about 15 minutes to soften up before we add them into the stir fry. So get those started as early as you can.
Okay, let's go. We're gonna start by preparing our vegetables. Remember, for a stir fry, when we're cooking our vegetables, we'd like a little bit of crispness to them. So let's try not to overcook when we do get those in the pan. Be sure to pat your shrimp down to remove any excess water. We'll give a nice mix of our spices and our coconut flour. We'll get the shrimp coated up. Make sure they're gonna really adhere to that flour and spice mixture. And then we'll transfer those directly into the egg wash. Let's give those a little tap, remove any excess egg wash, and into the shredded coconut. I find this a really easy recipe, and I love coconut shrimp. Mixed in with a little bit of spice, it's got some really good contrasting flavors in this dish. If you'd like to know the spice mixture that I'm using, just throw a comment down below, and I'll be happy to share that with you. Please also do me a favor, go ahead and smash that like button, the heart button, and give the channel a follow as well, so that way we can keep on growing. Okay, here we go. Some olive oil into our hot pan, and we'll add in those shrimp. These won't take too long to brown up at all. We're just going for a nice light golden brown color on these. Listen to that sizzle. We'll have some onions and garlic in the pan, and here come our vegetables. Always your choice of vegetables. Stir fry. Those are the rice noodles, a little bit of soy sauce, and we'll add those shrimp right back into the pan and give everything a really good toss. Even when preparing your food at home, take pride in your work. You can do this, and you can make yourself feel like you're dining out at a nice restaurant and cook an even better dinner at home. With easy recipes like this, you'll feel like you're dining out at fantastic restaurants, and you'll have a lot more pride knowing that you've done this work yourself. This coconut shrimp stir fry recipe is so easy to make, and yet if you were to dine out at a restaurant, you'll be paying 5 times as much. Look at this dish. It is simply delicious and looks fantastic. If you haven't done so already, please, again, hit that like button, the heart button, follow the channel, or subscribe and share it to your friends. Everybody can enjoy this delicious, easy recipe.
Boom! That's absolutely delicious. Wow. Wow. Have another one of these coconut shrimp. Absolutely delicious. Make this one. This one's great.